Washington Educators. This video will help guide you through the steps to set up your account in the Washington State Educator Electronic Certification System, or eCert. You'll start by navigating to eds.ospi.k12.wa.us. This site will meet you with the screen to either sign in or create your account. For the first-time users, you will need to create an account. Do this by navigating to the Create an Account tab and enter all the required login information. This is your first name, last name, and birth date. You must also create a username, which should be an email address, and a password to use for the site. Did you know that when you work for a school district in Washington, it's possible that an account has already been started for you when your employment was reported by your school district? That's why it's important that you fill out as much as possible in the Data for Linking a Certification section when creating your account. Even if you don't know a certificate number, it is important to complete as much as you can in this section. Once these steps are complete, you may be prompted with a window showing accounts with particular matching information. If none of these accounts belong to you, click the green button at the bottom labeled None of These Are Me. If one of these accounts does match you, click the green This Is Me button to the left of the account. You will then be asked to verify with some information and a verification image. If the account already has a login name and primary email, you will be taken to a page where you can choose to reset your password. Once your account has been successfully created, you will be brought to a page labeled My Personal Information, where you can enter demographic and contact information. Please note, you must select a race and ethnicity to move forward. You are able to select more than one. Additionally, your recovery email cannot be the same as your primary email in order to move forward. Once all of your information is entered and correct, select the green Create Account button near the bottom of the page. You must confirm the creation of the account. A screen will then pop up confirming your account's creation, and you may get an EDS application role pop-up. In this case, you can simply click Not Now to continue. The e-certification application will be assigned to the account automatically within about an hour. Once the time has passed, you can log back in now using the Sign In tab. You will find e-certification under View My Applications. Once you're able to access the e-certification page, you should see the message Welcome Educator, followed by your name. All e-certification users are labeled educators in the site, including teachers, paraeducators, administrators, and educational staff associates. Once you see the Welcome Educator message, you have officially created your account and successfully navigated to the Washington State Educator Electronic Certification System. Well done! If you have any questions about e-certification, please contact OSPI Contact Info. If you have any questions about the Paraeducator Certification Program, please contact PESB Contact Info.